Open the interactive. Click Start. The interface will load the DNA strand. Step 1. Input your own DNA sequence, usually a string of nucleotides A, T, C, G. At least 30 DNA bases, nucleotides, are recommended for a meaningful protein output, per one student guide. Step 2. Transcription. Click on Transcribe. This will copy the DNA template into messenger RNA, mRNA. In the simulation, you'll see the DNA open up and complementary RNA bases, A, U, C, G, pairing to the DNA template to form the mRNA. Step 3. Translation. Build the protein. Click Translate. This will simulate the messenger RNA leaving the nucleus, or moving to the ribosome, and translation begins. The simulation will use transfer RNA molecules carrying amino acids. For each codon, triplet of mRNA bases, it matches the appropriate anticodon on tRNA and adds the correct amino acid to the growing chain. You'll see a protein chain grow and fold and unfold. You can use the other buttons to pause, skip, and resume at any point. Open the